But away from politics, a Sunday service at the Good Shepherd Catholic Church in Mwingi today painted a picture of the loss by the church following the Enziu River bus tragedy 2 weeks ago. The absence of 16 choir members who perished in the tragedy was clearly felt as the remaining members sang during the Sunday service. The 16 choir members were among 33 people who died in the tragedy, which occurred after a bus was swept away by waters at a rift as the driver, attempted to cross the Enziu River bridge. The choirmaster says the choir will have the challenge of filling the gap by looking for new members and teaching them how to sing sometime next year.
Being the active members, we really fill the gap, but St. Cecilia is always strong. We will stand again, we will strive and we will overcome.
Tunaomba jamii ya Kikristo tusaidie na maombi.
Nimeweza kuwa na misa pamoja na Wakristo, misa ya 3 ya saa 5, na kuomba pamoja kwa ajili ya hao ambao walituacha na wale ambao wako hospitali na wote ambao wameathiriwa kwa njia moja au nyingine.
And now to take a short commercial break, you're watching Checkpoint.